Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I will show you how I did this Kilay. So if you want to know how I did this, oh by the way, I just woke up from a nap. Diba galing? So if you want to know how I did this Kilay of mine, just keep on watching. Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, if you're wondering, yes, that's a doorknob. I'm outside my house. So my setup is, you can see that? That's my ring light. So I just challenged myself to do different today. So if you can see my toque, it says next level. So here are my hands. I don't have any table here. I'm gonna show you how I did my Kilay or my eyebrows. Oopsie. This is very simple. I have my mirror, my eyebrow gel from LA Girl Brow Homemade, my Sephora concealer brush. You can use any brush if you want. NYX Professional Makeup in brush number 18. Look at the tip. This is the tip. Here. And tweezers. Lastly, I have this Morphe palette. I'm gonna use this shade. So I will show you how I clean my eyebrows first. So outside right now it's very cold, so I'm wearing my winter coat, and I will show you how it looks like outside house. Maybe you're wondering, oh, it must be very cold. Yeah, it's only -3, but today it's kind of cloudy, and plus it's windy and it's very cold. So I'll just erase my eyebrow fillers. See guys, I have a thin eyebrow, so I'm excited to show you how I fill it. Oh my goodness, if you haven't asked me, I had a bad experience in filling my eyebrows before. Oh my goodness. When I was in college, that was fun. Those bad experiences about my eyebrows that I don't know how to do it at first. Like, I'm so insecure with those girls that has nice eyebrows. And what I did is, like, I started to watch YouTube videos. I started to buy eyebrow pencil, eyebrow powder, a blade, and I started to like learn how to shape my own eyebrows. So as you can see, my eyebrows are pretty clean now, and I'm going to start to fill it with the what you call that? Brow gel. Ooh, it's cold. So I'm gonna use this LA Girl Brow Pomade and with NYX number 18 brush. I don't have a table, this is a challenge. So bear with me. So first that we're gonna do is, of course, brush the brow gel and start here in the middle of your eyebrows and just slightly brush it out. So don't start here on the tip because it will like make your eyebrows look thicker. Just shape it. Just shape your original eyebrows, okay? Fill it to the tail. And get a little bit more. Then brush and brush. Next one is the left eyebrows. Just gonna brush it up where your hair goes naturally. Feel the brush again. Feel it in the middle. Brush it. Towards something. The funny part that I did before when I was in college, I would use a henna powder for my eyebrows so that it will last like for 2 to 3 weeks. Isn't it that fun? I'm gonna brush it up like this again. And that. Neighbor is coming. And that. Yo guys, so the next step that I'm going to do is to fill the ends of my eyebrows using the chocolate diamond palette by Morphe C16. So I'm just going to brush it lightly, pat it, and I'll start here at the end and carefully like fill the end of my eyebrows so that it will just like look naturally filled. And next is here. Just fill it. Fill it, fill it, fill it. And if you want, you can just like strike a little bit of powder on the tip. You can brush it to look like it's more thicker on the tip. I am cold! So next step that I'm going to do is use the tweezers to remove all the excess eyebrows. That's fine! The dog is barking. What I'm saying is just pluck the hair, excess hair. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, just pluck the hair. So you will know I really can't see the hair, the excess hair that I have here. Yeah, so just pluck it. So there you go guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video, and thank you for watching my next level of making your eyebrows. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'll talk to you next time in my videos. Bye!